Okay, now I'm doing question number 7. We will not do question number 6. We are doing question number 7. Now again we will pick up the terms. After reading the questions, you will pick up the term. It says 28 tea pluckers can pluck 1260 kg of leaves. It means tea leaves is the second term, and in 8 hours, again time is given. 3 quantities are given and you will write down in this manner. Tea pluckers is to tea leaves is to time. So 28 tea pluckers pluck 1260 kg of tea leaves in 8 hours. Now read the next part of the question. It says, how many more people will be required if 1200 kg of tea need to be plucked in 6 hours? How many more people? It means again tea pluckers is X. Tea leaves is given 1200 kg and time is given 6 hours. Now again we will compare first tea pluckers and tea leaves, and then we will compare tea pluckers and time. So let's look first at it. 28 tea pluckers can pluck 1260 kg of tea leaves. If tea leaves reduced, obviously tea pluckers also will be required less. So it said it is direct proportion. It is direct proportion and it is A part. Now let's look at the B part. So 28 tea pluckers is plucking tea leaves or whatever in 8 hours. I will ignore this term. I am just looking at time and tea pluckers. So there are 28 tea pluckers. They are working in 8 hours, whatever the work is. If I reduce the time, obviously if I am decreasing the time, I will be needed more tea pluckers. So again this become inversely proportional. Here I made my arrows down, here I will make it up to show it that this is inversely proportional. This is inverse proportion and this is B part. Okay, again I am saying 28 tea pluckers doing work in 8 hours. If I will reduce the time, agar main time kam kar दूँ, तो definitely I will be required more people to do the same work. So it is inversely proportional. Now I will write down the data in the same manner, statements in the same manner. Okay, you will write down the statements in the same manner. Less tea leaves to be plucked, less tea pluckers will be required. So it is direct proportion. Both the quantities are less and less. So it is direct proportion. Less time, when the time is reducing, I need more tea pluckers. So one is less and one is more. So it is inversely proportion. Now I will write down the data. I will copy, I will make my sum. So 28. So I will write 28 is to X. Since it is directly proportional, tea pluckers and tea leaves, I will not change the position. Proportion to 1260 is to 1200. Now next, tea pluckers, again 28 is to X. I am not changing the position, but of time I will change the position because it is inversely proportional. So 8 is written first, I will write it afterwards. 6 I will write it first. Now same thing, this is extreme and this is mean. I am writing short terms, but please you will write complete spellings and all the things like this, mean, extreme. You will do it with pencil. Okay. Okay, see how I am writing product of extreme is equals to product of mean. So I will first focus on extreme. Again look at it. Extreme has 28, extreme has 1200 and extreme has 8. So I will write down all the values. 28 with multiplication sign. 28 multiplied by 1200 multiplied by 8 is equals to, now mean has X, 1260 and 6. So X multiplied by 1260 multiplied by 6. Again I will shift the position, bring my X over here. Okay, see I change the position, then X will remain over here. This you will copy and this will go down and divide. Now simplify it. So simplify in the manner 0 and 0 will be reduced. Then you can reduce 6 to 3s are 6 to 4s are 8. Then I can reduce with 4 times table. 4 1s are 4, 3s are 12. Okay, so it is not reducing with 4 times table. I have to reduce it with 2 times table. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6. Then it will reduce from 7 times table. 7 4s are 7 9s are 120 can also be reduced with 3 times table. 3 ones are, 3 fours are, 0s are. Now see, nothing can be reduced, so I just copy the number. 4 is left over here, 40 is left, 2 is left. Here in denominator 9 is left, so I copied it. Now I will multiply it. I will get 320 upon 9. You will use rough work column to show me all the rough work, okay? 320 upon 9. Then you will divide 320 in your rough work column and see what you get. After dividing in rough work column, you will get 35.5. So x is equals to 35.5 is your answer. Now you will write down the main statement. You will write down the statement in this manner. You will write a round off. 35.5 can be round off to 36. You can see the sign which I made. It's like this. Okay. So this is the round off sign, and you will write 36 people will be required to pluck 1200 kg of tea leaves in 6 hours. Okay, so this is your answer. I hope this is clear. It's very easy. First you have to compare the two quantities, and then you have to compare the other two quantities and solve it in the same manner.